Hello everyone, it's me JP from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you how to choose from one tab to another tab in any program or browser using only keyboard in Windows. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly, let me say open one program. So this is to give an example, Notepad. So you can see here I have opened multiple tabs, right? So here we are not gonna use our computer mouse. So here we'll use only a computer keyboard. So here I will show you two methods. The first method is clockwise direction and the second method is anti-clockwise direction. So for the clockwise direction, what you need to do is on your computer keyboard, just press Ctrl and Tab together. You can see here, and once again keep pressing the Ctrl and Tab again. So now you can see it's switching from one tab to another in the clockwise directions. So now if you want to switch from one tab to another using anti-clockwise direction, what you need to do is on your computer keyboard just press Ctrl, Shift and Tab. Now it will move in the anti-clockwise direction. So you can see here. So similarly you can do the same thing with your respective web browser. So say in my web browser I have opened 3 different tabs. So similarly you can just press the Ctrl and Tab to choose from one tab to another, or you can use the Ctrl, Shift and Tab also to choose from one tab to another. So by using this method you can easily choose from one tab to another tab in any program or browser using only keyboard in Windows very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.